Build your self-hosted eWeLink server in 5 minutes. Installation Cube OS on Synology NAS. Preparation. Download the latest .exe image file from the GitHub repository, then extract it to obtain the .vdi disk image for use. Already downloaded? Let's see if we can set it up in just 5 minutes. 1. Installing Virtual Machine Manager. Access the Synology NAS dashboard via a web browser. Install the Virtual Machine Manager package from the Synology Package Center. Launch Virtual Machine Manager from the NAS dashboard. 2. Creating the virtual machine. Navigate to the image page. Switch to the Disk Image tab and click the Add button. Follow the prompts to upload the Cube OS.vdi file. Note: you have to unzip the .exe file first. Let's wait a while for the image to be uploaded. Slow upload speed may be caused by a limited internet connection. Once the image upload is complete, switch to the virtual machine page. Click the drop-down icon next to the Create button and select Import. In the wizard, choose Import from Disk Images. Select the storage location where you uploaded the virtual disk file. 3. Configure virtual machine settings. Assign computational resources to Cube OS. CPU 2 cores, memory 4 GB for the best run performance. Choose the virtual disk on the drop-down list. Choose the default VM network. In the firmware option, select UEFI to ensure compatibility. Note: set UEFI is a necessary step. To connect your Zigbee devices, plug the dongle into your NAS via USB and pass it through to the virtual machine on this page. Assign management permissions to your NAS accounts. Review all settings and ensure the power on the virtual machine after creation option is selected. Click Done to complete the setup. Wait for a few minutes while the virtual machine powers on. Four. Booting Cube OS. Click Connect to view the VM console. If the Cube OS welcome screen appears, the system has started successfully. Open a web browser and enter http cube.local or Cube OS IP address to access the onboarding page. Congratulations! Now you can start adding and managing your devices locally in Cube OS.